Floods and unabated rains have wreaked havoc on the province. Nushki, a district bordering Afghanistan, is a case in point. Situated some 140 kilometers to the southwest of Quetta, it's a picture of devastation. The floods have washed away a large number of mud houses in the district. Destruction in Balochistan continued on Sunday. The provincial government has closed all education institutions in light of a renewed warning of downpour and flash floods. As major highways connecting to the province were still cut off, Prime Minister has requested Army Chief Gen to provide helicopters to reach the people who were stranded due to washing away of roads and highways. Quetta received heavy downpour on Sunday, resulting in urban flooding in Pashtunabad, Hazara Town, Kardarand, Amin Abd, Nawan Kili, Kili Kambrani, and Sariab areas, where floodwater entered several houses. Karkasa Dam near Quetta was breached at one point due to hill torrents, inundating several areas near Western Bypass.